Welcome back to the deep dive. So if you're writing code these days, you know the whole game has changed.
Oh, completely.
It feels less like you're writing from scratch and more like, I don't know, managing a whole team of AI helpers.
Right. And you need to know which helper is right for which job.
Exactly. So you need a fast, informed breakdown. Okay, let's unpack this. We are diving into three of the big AI coding assistants: Cursor, Windsurf, and GitHub Copilot.
Mm-hmm.
And our mission here is to really cut through the marketing fluff and figure out which tool actually fits your specific workflow.
And just to be clear, this is all about feature analysis. We're looking at the marketing claims, we're looking at how the tools function, all to give you a clear picture of what they're designed to do in your editor.
Perfect. So let's start with one that's really swinging for the fences, the one our sources call the powerhouse.
That would be
Cursor.
Cursor. It is definitely the most ambitious of the three.
for sure.
The core pitch here is that Cursor is built for people who need the AI to understand the entire project.
The whole context, not just one file.
Right, not just the single file you're looking at.
Yeah.
And this project-level thinking unlocks some serious power. We're talking multi-file edits, complex code automation, even finding bugs across huge code bases.
What's fascinating here is the trade-off.
Okay.
That kind of deep project level thinking, trying to see how file A connects to some database query in file B, that takes a ton of computational power.
So it's heavy.
It can feel heavy, yeah. And the sources mention a learning curve. You're sort of paying in complexity and maybe some time to get that huge architectural view. But it's perfect for tackling those massive inherited code bases.
Right, the spaghetti code projects.
Exactly.
Okay, so if Cursor is the specialized bulldozer for that heavy lifting, then we have to talk about the reliable pickup truck of the group.
GitHub Copilot.
GitHub Copilot, the classic. I mean, everyone knows it.
It's the industry benchmark.
And its main strength is just, it's simple, it's familiar, it lives right inside your editor like VS Code, and just gives you these fast inline suggestions while you type.
And that's the key. It's not trying to do what Cursor does. It's not thinking about the whole architecture. Copilot is purely about speed and convenience.
Zero friction.
Zero friction. It sits right there. You don't have to think about it. If you just want an AI to autocomplete stuff and help you write code faster, Copilot is still, the default for a reason.
Okay, so that simplicity is a really sharp contrast to our third tool, Windsurf, which is kind of aiming for that smart middle ground.
Right. Lighter than Cursor, but a lot smarter than just basic autocompletion.
So how does it do that?
Well, Windsurf is really good at picking up on code context. It's trying to bridge that gap. The specific feature that stood out in the sources is something called the cascade agent.
The cascade agent.
Yeah, this is where Windsurf tries to be proactive. It doesn't just finish the line you're on. It actually tries to guess your next 3 moves.
Oh, interesting.
So maybe it suggests creating a test file that corresponds to what you just wrote, or it generates the function you'll need in a different file. It's predictive.
There's a catch.
A small one. The sources do note that this intelligence can get a little inconsistent on those really massive older projects, but for most day-to-day coding, it's a great and cheaper way to get that smart assistance without the full deep dive that Cursor demands.
So what does this all mean for you listening to this?
I mean, the choice really comes down to what you need.
It's about the depth of assistance you're looking for versus, I guess, the friction you're willing to put up with in your workflow.
Exactly.
So if you need an AI partner that can actually overhaul huge parts of your project, that full project level help, you're looking at Cursor.
Mm-hmm.
If you want a smart, proactive tool for daily tasks,
Uh-huh.
Windsurf is that middle ground. And if you just want simple, reliable, zero friction suggestions right in your editor,
It's Copilot, the established choice.
the established choice.
If we connect this to the bigger picture, what's happening here is a clear split in the market. You have high specialization on one end and absolute simplicity on the other.
That's a great way to put it.
These tools are basically forcing developers to make a choice between, say, maximum architectural understanding and maximum integration speed.
So here's a final thought for you to take away. As you look at your own workflow, ask yourself, how much value does that deep code automation from a tool like Cursor really give you? And how does that compare to the raw speed and convenience of Copilot's seamless integration? It really pushes you to evaluate whether you need a full-time AI architect or just a brilliant, fast assistant